The death of human-run businesses has begun. While traditional companies rest, AI systems work 24/7, making calculated decisions and expanding without limits or emotional bias. We're not witnessing simple automation. We're seeing the birth of businesses that think, adapt, and evolve on their own. Traditional companies face a clear choice: transform into self-evolving systems or fade into irrelevance. Just as landowners once controlled agriculture and industrialists controlled factories, those who own AI systems will control the future of business. But most people have missed the true significance of this shift. Business owners are rushing to add ChatGPT and basic automation tools, but they're missing the fundamental change. These surface-level solutions are just band-aids on a broken system. The real transformation happens when your entire business becomes one interconnected, self-optimizing organism. Here are three fundamental shifts reshaping how businesses operate. 1. The AI tipping point: why human decision-making will soon be too slow to compete. 2. The self-evolving business: your operations improve even when you're not working. And 3. The ownership advantage: how to position yourself before the biggest wealth transfer in history begins. You've heard enough AI hype and automation tricks, and I'm here to show you exactly how this transformation works, backed by real examples from businesses making the shift. Here's what sets this apart: a clear framework for turning chaos into AI-powered precision, how to build a business that evolves without constant input, and the critical steps most business owners miss with AI. The window for getting ahead of this change is shrinking. Let me show you where we're headed. After working with hundreds of businesses, I've discovered why most companies struggle with AI. It's not about technology limitations. They're trying to solve tomorrow's problems with yesterday's thinking. Look at how businesses evolved. We started with individual craftsmen working alone. Then came factories with humans operating machines. Next, computers digitized our processes. Each shift fundamentally changed what businesses could achieve. When I helped companies implement AI, I followed the standard approach: automating one task at a time. After dozens of projects, something felt wrong. The problem wasn't the tasks we were automating, it was our entire approach to business. That realization led me to discover something that changed everything: AI workers that can think for themselves. These aren't simple automation tools. They're digital employees that understand objectives, plan their approach, and complete complex tasks independently. Most industry leaders have overlooked this critical shift in how businesses operate. The real power emerges when these AI workers coordinate automatically. Today's leading companies already use AI systems that handle marketing, prevent operational problems, and manage customer conversations around the clock. Each month, more businesses make this shift, while others fall further behind. Look at most businesses today. Their systems don't communicate effectively, data sits scattered across different platforms, and productivity grinds to a halt whenever human intervention is needed. Each manual step creates delays that ripple through the entire operation. Here's the critical point: AI capabilities double in power and sophistication every few months. Each advancement builds on the previous ones, and we're approaching a moment when traditional human-run businesses simply won't be able to match the speed and efficiency of AI-powered competitors. This shift brings opportunity with it. The most successful AI-powered companies follow a specific strategy. Instead of automating tasks, they build intelligent systems that learn and evolve. It's the difference between hiring workers versus creating a team that constantly improves itself. The pattern is clear. First, your business systems begin communicating seamlessly. Then, routine decisions happen automatically. Finally, the system identifies and fixes its own inefficiencies. This leads to my next point, perhaps the most critical element of business transformation. One aspect of business automation, when mastered, drives exponential growth. But understanding this alone won't save your business without addressing a fundamental shift in operations. The deepest change isn't in what these businesses can do, it's in how they think. Traditional businesses face built-in limits. Even with top talent and cutting-edge tools, they can only handle so many tasks at once, process information in sequence, and operate during business hours. Many business owners believe a skilled team and modern technology guarantee competitiveness. This mindset actually blocks true transformation. Success isn't about doing things better, it's about operating in an entirely new way. Consider the evolution from basic tools to intelligent assistants. Your calculator performs specific tasks when commanded. An AI assistant understands context, anticipates needs, and acts independently. Businesses must make the same evolutionary leap. Our research reveals that businesses must transform from mechanical systems into living organisms. We build what I call an intelligent core. This revolutionizes operations in three ways. First, everything connects to one central brain. Every sale, customer interaction, and market shift feeds into this unified intelligence. Second, it processes this information instantly, spotting patterns and opportunities invisible to human analysts. Third, it acts autonomously to enhance performance. Even with advanced AI tools working together, businesses need to adapt to market changes. Most transformation efforts fail here. Companies build intelligent systems, but neglect to make them adaptable. The solution centers on self-improvement. These systems learn from every action they take. Every customer interaction refines their approach. Every decision improves their judgment, and this creates a compound effect. Small improvements accumulate into major advantages. The next evolution brings something even more powerful: predictive intelligence. The system spots potential problems weeks or months before they surface. It adjusts operations automatically, maintaining peak performance without human oversight. This brings us to the real challenge. Once your business has this foundation, how do you ensure it evolves in productive directions? This question leads to our final topic, the factor that separates winners from losers in this new era. Throughout history, one factor has determined success more than any other. A factor I overlooked for years. While most focus on technology and implementation, they miss this crucial element. If you study how wealth grows throughout history, agricultural wealth flowed to those who own fertile land. Industrial wealth concentrated among those who own factories, and digital wealth accumulated to those who own platforms and infrastructure. We're entering into an era where AI systems become the primary source of value creation. These systems operate continuously and expand in limitless ways and improve automatically. They're not just business tools, they're self-running enterprises. Even sophisticated companies make a fundamental mistake, treating AI as a tool rather than an asset. But avoiding this error isn't enough without understanding how value creation is changing. This opportunity stands unique in history. For the first time, we can own systems that improve themselves continuously without human input. These digital assets replicate instantly at minimal cost. They work without breaks or fatigue. Most importantly, they grow smarter over time. But here's the dangerous oversight I see repeatedly: waiting too long to establish ownership. The opportunity window shrinks daily. As these systems advance, they create advantages that newcomers find increasingly difficult to match. Success requires more than implementing AI. It demands owning the systems that will drive future business operations. Those who secure ownership now will capture exponentially more value as these systems evolve. We're watching business evolve into something new. Entities that think, learn, and grow autonomously. This raises questions beyond technology. How does a conscious business operate? What principles guide self-evolving systems? Where do humans fit in this new landscape? What possibilities open up when businesses think for themselves? These questions will reshape commerce and society. The answers will define the next era of human advancement. This journey has only begun. In our next discussion, we'll explore how conscious businesses will transform entrepreneurship itself. If you want to stay ahead of this revolution, subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and join us in exploring the future of business. The insights I've shared today are just the beginning. See you in the next video.